During high school, I decided to take an astronomy class. The teacher had an enormous impact on my interest in the material. I think because he was laid back and showed such enthusiasm during class, it made me really wonder how much I could learn about the universe around us. There's always something new to learn about the universe, and that's what keeps me interested and so intrigued. For this speech, I'm going to explain the life cycle of the sun and all the other stars with the same mass. The sun was born in a region of high density gas and dust called a nebula. Due to its gravity, the gas and dust contracted, causing it to heat up and start to glow. Once this Once this occurred, the sun was considered a protostar. After it heated up about 15 million degrees centigrade, helium started to form in the sun due to nuclear fusion with hydrogen. Because of the energy released from the nuclear fusion, the sun stopped contracting and started to shine brightly. This stage is called a main sequence star. After being a main sequence star for about 4.5 billion years, we finally reached where the sun is at its present day. It will continue to be a main sequence star for about 6 billion more years until the hydrogen in the sun is all used up and it can no longer form helium. The sun will contract until the helium is hot enough to form carbon. Then it will start expanding, cooling down, and dimming. At that time, the sun will be considered a red giant as it has expanded about 250 times its current radius, consuming Earth. Once the helium runs out, the outer layer of the sun will drift away from the core. After that happens, the core will become a white dwarf, and once it stops shining, it is called a black dwarf or a dead star. It's fascinating how the sun goes through the same cycle of life that we do, it's just a little bit more complicated. The sun is just one of the many things that keep our lives in motion, and there's still so much to learn. Thanks for listening.